Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Adam, Moki. We're here to show you how we installed this awesome doggy septic tank right here. It's a place for us to put Moki's waste in the yard. Gives us a nice contained space. Healthy way to break it down. This is placed in an area that is not near any food plants. You don't want any of the compost get into any of your food or any things that you plan on eating. Appreciate you being here. I'm going to show you how we installed this, and I'll give you some more details at the end. So there you have it. Pretty simple build, nothing overly complicated. Drainage holes, bottom of the bucket's gone for additional drainage. The rocks are in place for more drainage. Mother Nature will happen in here. The septic treatment is just kick things off for us. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, I hope you did. You hit the subscribe, hit the little bell to get notified, and I'll see you in a future video. Adam out.